They say there's a reason why you have 2 ears and 1 mouth. Any idea why that is? You should listen twice as much as you speak. And when you do, you should practice active listening. Active listening is actually a game changer in building strong connections and effective communication. Now, to be clear, it's not just about hearing words. It's about truly understanding and engaging with what the other person is saying. We're talking about you giving your full attention, asking thoughtful questions and responding with empathy. When you actively listen, you show respect, you build trust, and you create deeper connection with others. It helps you to resolve conflicts, foster collaboration, and gain valuable insights. So make active listening a priority. Put away distractions, focus on the speaker, and respond with intention. Your genuine attention will not only strengthen the relationships, but also enhance your personal and professional growth. Active listening, man, try it and watch how it transforms your interactions and enriches your connections. Keep on pushing.